What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. Know what I mean? Today, I'm going to be doing a first impressions video on the Olight Baton Pro. It maxes out at 2000 lumens, and I got this on a lightning deal on Amazon. It was $61, so let's break into it right now. Anytime you buy an Olight, it comes in a box like this. Probably from China. I mean, straight from China. They ship it in these little cardboard boxes. Yeah, nothing too special on the outside, but it's mostly to protect the inner box because they like to do fancy packaging. I mean, they like to have a nice packaging for the knife. But yeah, yes, that's a mini bug out. Don't really need introductions on that knife. Here, trash. A battery holder. I mean, you can hold the two 18650 cells here. You can probably hold the 1, 2, 3 lights in here too. I mean, I don't have a lot of extra batteries, so I don't really need it, but I'll keep them on the side just in case. You never know when you need them, know what I mean? So the box is nice. You get a little bit of a shiny finish. Laminate on here. Here you go. Looks very similar to the packaging of the Seeker 2 Pro. Pull that right out. Trying to make this video time efficient for you guys. I know you guys are busy people out there. I'm not here to waste anyone's time. Here you go. Here's the light. We're going to be looking at that more closely. And we got the packaging here. They got nice plastic here, you know. Thank you for being a part of our Olight community. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy. I thought the reason why they do it is to make money. Yeah, so Olight on here. So, you know, Olight doesn't cheap out on packaging, as you can see. You got a lanyard. You know, I don't use lanyards on my lots. I'm not really sure what else I can use this for. Little whatever, you know, maybe store my lanyard inside this box here if it would open up. Here you go. Put on the side. Another one of these. I'm starting to get a lot of these, which for some of y'all, you might have like 10 of these already. I have quite a few of these now. You know, you can leave these around like the office, at home, at your friend's house. You know, you got so many, then they all can share the same charging system. So that's not bad. The one on the Seeker 2 Pro came with a really long wire. So if you need a long wire for something, just bring that to that location wherever you need it. This one's just one of those shorter ones. You know, maybe good for even on your computer or whatever charging block. Here's another one of the Olight bags. These are nice. They're stitched 2 times. That's pretty nice. I mean, they don't have to do that 2 times. But I don't store my flashlights in bags. You know what I mean? It might be a good way to keep it if you like throwing it in a box like that. Put it in here and it'll be protected. It won't get scratched up and shit. But like, I'm not worried about that, right? So here's the Baton 2 Pro. Oh, you know I love showing you guys the literature. I don't even care about this. You know what I mean? No bullshit, guys. I don't even look at this stuff. It goes right into the trash. Baton 2 Pro. Here is the information. If you want to see anything here, you can pause, because I'm not that technical into lumens. I don't care, man. If it lights up, it lights up. Know what I mean? If it's bright, it's bright. If you can shoot and freaking illuminate something 100 yards away, 100 meters, it's good. Know what I mean? I'm not playing that. I don't really care about anything else other than something being functional and working. Alright. Baton 2 Pro. I almost, because I got used to the Seeker 2 Pro. Baton Pro. There you go. magnetic tail cap. I always tell you guys, if you work around metal shavings, keep a cover on that because you don't want to you know, get that stuff inside the tail cap. It'll be like impossible to get it out because the tail cap does not, there's no tail cap here, it opens at the head. So this lot is longer than the S2R2. Oh damn, I don't have my S2R2 on me right now, but here's the Phoenix LD30. Phoenix LD30 is a little bit longer. So this lot, actually, I thought this lot was going to be uncarryable, but now I'm looking at the Phoenix. The Phoenix looks a little more uncarryable. I mean, like, not pocket friendly. Okay, the head's diameter is, the Phoenix is a little bigger. It is a little bigger. Yep, I can definitely feel it. Phoenix is bigger. Pretty much not, you can't tell in the pocket though. Look at that. That's gonna be a nice thrower, man. I mean, not thrower, a floodlight. It's gonna flood more. Look at that. I am actually happy with the size of the Baton Pro. I thought it was gonna be longer than this, and I'm glad it's not. Know what I mean? Really nice. So let's take off the little yellow film on the battery. 3,500 milliamp hours. Yep. Really light flashlight without the battery. I don't really understand why they even tell you the specs of the flashlight's weight without the battery. They're hoping people don't read it and then they think, oh, this is a light flashlight. But a flashlight with no battery is useless, so that spec is kind of stupid. It does nothing. So here you go. Like all Olights, you got your low mode here. Let me check. Low, you got 5 lumens. That was, I mean, the first one was Moonlight. This is 30 lumens. 120. Wow, that's pretty bright. Alright, you know what? There's turbo. There's strobe. Actually, this one's low, 30. There's your Moonlight. It is, you know what, 5 lumens. In the dark, this 5 lumens would be good. I know some of y'all can complain it's not 1 lumen or something. Trust me, 5 lumens is good enough. This is, since it's not so focused on one area, it spreads out so it's less bright looking. It's good. So I mean, this lot, look at this. First impressions, it's built very well. Feels like a bigger S2R2, honestly. It got a nice little circle head over here. You can see right here. One thing I did notice was the S2R2 came with 2 clips, a black one and a blue one. It seems that the Baton Pro didn't come with that. Yeah, it didn't. And you know, that's fine. I've been carrying the blue clip, even though I thought I was going to change to the black clip to be more stealthy. Because, you know, people see a blue clip easily like this. It's like, oh, what the hell is that? That looks nice. But it's a flashlight. It's not a knife, so it's not a big deal. No one should feel threatened by your flashlight. Cool white, like always, 2,000 lumens. So my impressions about this lot is it's nice. It's bright. It is a good floodlight. It's small. It's more carryable than this Phoenix LD30. You know, you can see it's very girthy over here around the top. This one's not. So I think that this Olight is actually a very decent choice. This only maxes out at 1600 lumens. This maxes at 2000. Baton Pro is a very loved light. I mean, I thought this would not be carryable. I thought it was gonna be a backpack light, but honestly, if I already carried a Phoenix, I could definitely carry the Baton Pro too. The Baton Pro can definitely be carried. It's slender, it's broad. You get a lot of light in your pocket. I'm not so sure that this will kick my S2R2 out of the pocket as much though, because S2R2 is much shorter. You know what? Let me run to go get the S2R2 real quick. Be right back. I'm back. S2R2 right there. There you go. So quite a bit of size difference. This was also from a lightning deal. Damn it, what's my words today? Lightning deal. Oh, this clip came a little bit scratched up or fingerprinted. Oh, fingerprinted. Alright. So there's the size difference. Both were lightning deals on Amazon. I know some of y'all hate Amazon. I mean, it's just so convenient. We all know that. So yeah, man. They're like brothers or sisters, whatever you want to say. You can see much bigger head over here. That's why that freaking S2R2 is so easy to carry. Look how small it is compared to even the Baton Pro. But it's alright. This is gonna be nice to carry, guys. I'm saying Olight, they made this a few years ago. This is actually a nice light. Maybe a couple years. It wasn't that old actually, but yeah. So I hope you guys like this video overview. They both feel the same, honestly. If you like the S2R2, don't be scared to pick up the Baton Pro. It's just a little bigger, as you can see. And definitely on a lightning deal. Lightning deals pop up maybe once every week or every 2 weeks between. This one always goes on sale. S2R2 goes on sale a lot on Amazon lightning deals. They run out pretty quickly. In a few hours maybe they'll be gone. They pop up on the weekends a lot, like Saturday, Sunday. And Baton Pro right here. So yeah, guys, please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't. Find me on Instagram at TimZUSA. Give me a follow, like some of my pictures. And yeah, man, until next time, Tim Z out.